your trust, would you come to me? Come to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this half up half down really easy. This is a glueless half up half down because you guys know I had a video before and YouTube decided to delete it, but you know what, I'm not even going to talk my shit, okay? But this video is going to be super easy and super quick. This wig is from AfsisterWig. This is their 20-inch lace front wig. It is their invisible knot lace wig. It is 180% density. It is $270.99. If you guys are interested, their links will be in my description box so you guys can check them out. I'm not going to talk too much because I don't want to make this video too long. Let's get into this video.
You guys, before I start, I just wanted to show you the inside of the wig. The wig comes with 4 combs. There's 3 at the top. There's 2 adjustable band things at the side by your ear area. And I did go ahead and remove it, just so you know. My clamp clips thing for my adjustable band did break off. So right here, I'm just tying them together. I'm going to be speaking in this video. I just wanted to tell you this really quick so you're not wondering why I don't have any combs in my wig. But I just put it on really quick just to show you guys. I did previously have on my blonde wig. This is why I have a ball cap on, but the glue is not even active anymore. But I wanted to show you when I put this wig on, it was still sticking even though I could take it off. Just a quick, I wanted to tell you that just really quick.
Alright you guys, I was going to just leave the video for it to play so I don't have to do any talking, but I'm going to talk just because I wanted to show you guys a little bit about this half up half down glueless type of wig. Of course I do have some glue on my cap, but for the most part I didn't really, you know, like install the wig like regular. I'm gonna remove it again so you guys can see that I can take this off very easily. Okay, so it looks like this. I do have to go in and I'm gonna go in and cut some of this lace out, but what I would say is like these are very uncomfortable, so I'm gonna just try to cut around it or cut it out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to do this quick half up half down using my AfsisterWig. I colored this wig by myself. If I can find any clips I will insert it. I probably don't have any clips, but it's super easy. I just slapped some bleach on different sections of the hair and my face looks crazy, but I really want to bring this video to you guys, so don't worry about how I'm looking right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this wig on super easy, how I always do. If you want to dedicate it, how I put on my wigs, I will link a video up in the eye above right here. I think this is where I'm gonna put it. But yeah, so all I'm gonna start off by doing is putting on my Got To Be spray and my wig. I'm not gonna talk through this part because I always do this every single video. So let's get into this. This is the wig right here. This is a reinstall. I'm going to be reinstalling it. I cut the thing off and I tied this because my band broke. And I cut off all the combs, and it normally comes with an extra band thing. I cut it off and I cut off my ear tabs and everything like that. Oh, by the way, I was wearing my blonde wig. That's why I have this ball cap. But I literally went in the bathroom and I pulled my wig off, so this is why I have this ball cap on. I normally don't wear a ball cap. If you watch me, you would know this. So I'm just making sure that this is sitting around my head properly. I'm not going to give you guys any in-depth detail about this, but yeah. I'm going to now okay, so I'm going to spray down the sides and do my baby hairs. Okay, this is a pro tip for anybody that's doing that half up half down. Make sure you part out the little sideburn area like this. So you part it out and pull it down, and when you pull it down, this is going to help it melt way better. So I just spray a little spritz right there, not spritz, and then you could blast. Okay, now we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. I think I cut a little bit too much of the lace off on that side, but this is what we're working with. I'm going to part out the edges just to pull it down tightly right there and blow it. Now that I blow the sideburn area, all I'm gonna do is put this hair up into a ponytail. So I'm using my fingers to part it out just because I am not too neat when it comes to this process. Or maybe I should just use a comb. Okay, we're gonna take a comb. We're gonna go ahead and part out this area.
Tom makes beats.
I'm trying my best to part where the lace is, but the lace is super, there's not too much lace on the side areas, so we're just gonna have to go ahead and part where the tracks are.
Today, got tonight, or tomorrow, I love you. Calling out my name from me, girl. And I know that you lost for me, girl. Can't be all alone, come around for the night. You got my attention, circle down.
Okay, I'm going to put this in a bun, just lightly.
Bananas get big like cassava.
I want to clip the back away, so I'm going to put the back in a bun too. And now I'm going to go in with my freeze blast spray just to do the baby hairs. I spray it on the toothbrush. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out some baby hairs. I probably should have did this before I put the top up.
Baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy, put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason now, hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I'll show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard things, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Oh, yeah, yeah. Say she want banana. Bananas get big like cassava. When y'all moon on, me not want pull up. But if she want take it, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, ay, 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 ay. Just no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave me. Long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave.
So what I do before putting the hair up is I make sure that I tie my hair down with my satin head wrap. This one is from Tropic Touches. Right here, I'm gonna have my links down in the description box below if you guys want to purchase one. All I do is I tie the front down like this. I make sure that it's nice and smooth back there. So just spray the front and comb it back like this. Because we're going to use this same method to mold the hair into shape. So before you even start, you want to start using this to give it that look. I could have plucked it a little bit more right here, but you could do that when you get your wig. That was very rude. I'm sorry.
Others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy.
So now we're gonna tie the front down We're tying the front down because when we pull this hair into a ponytail, we want to do it really tight. And if you don't tie it down, your wig will lift up. Especially this wig being glueless, it's going to pull off of your head. So tie it down as super tight as you can.
If I told you I was done and I had nothing at all, would you comfort me and call me baby girl? Never ever run away from your girl.
So now I'm gonna go in with the freeze blast spray the freeze blast spray one last time and go like this. And then I can use my comb and run it through.
I'll never fake in with you, girl. No.
So then I'm going to go on one last time with the freeze blast spray just to smooth out the hair, and use your brush to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Okay, and if you want, you can use your blow dryer. And that's going to slick it out nice and sleek. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And the hair is all tied up because of me. And then I'm gonna get a piece and I'm going to wrap it around the base. I want my base to be super thick. That is why I went for the thicker hairband. If you want it to be more like smaller, you can go for a thinner hairband or a rubber band. So now I'm going to take a piece of the hair in the back, a thicker piece just to make sure that it's going to cover the hair nicely. Comb it out. And then I'm going to wrap it around, but wrap it around the other way. This way. And go in with the freeze blast spray to keep that nice and smooth. Brush it through. You can use the blow dryer to blow it also, but I'm not going to do that. Just because I don't feel like it. I do recommend it. And then when you're almost done, you're going to wrap it under the base. So that's going to help conceal the wrap. And then I just push it up like so. And I'm going to go ahead and define the curls, and I'll be right back. Oh, also let me just show you the baby hairs. It looks like this. Once you're done, it should look something like this. And if you pluck hair a little more, it will blend out properly. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of my mousse to define the curls, because I do like the puffy look, but I want it to be a little bit more, you know, like curls at the end. So I'm gonna use this mousse. It's nothing special, but that's what we're using today. Hopefully you've seen that. Hopefully it was focused. And I go ahead and put it at the ends. What I like doing is rolling the ends around my finger and going like this. Just crunch it a bit. When it dries, you can break up the mousse because I don't want it to be a defined curl at all. So if I do go in with some water, it will define the curls a lot, and that's not what I want. I want it to have like a full look to it. So I'm gonna put some mousse just to give it a nice full tamed type of curls. Kind of scrunch it in your hands. This is gonna bring the curls to life. So you can see the difference from this side and this side. And then we're gonna wait for this to dry and we'll be set. Okay, so I'm gonna go help my mom, and then I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the end result when it's dried and everything. But I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and if you felt like you needed a hot comb to get this style perfected, I'm just here to show you that you really don't. You don't even need glue. You do not need glue to perfect this hairstyle whatsoever, because when you put this, you could just use a bobby pin and you're gonna be perfectly fine and unclockable. You do not need if you could see that when I go like this, you do not need gel to do this hairstyle whatsoever. Anybody could do this hairstyle and have it slick, because I feel like most people that I've seen and they're doing like a glueless half up half down, it's not really smooth and nice. So I wanted to come and show you guys that you could get it to be nice and sleek and still have it glueless and not be lumpy and pulled off your head. Because I know when it's glueless you want to take your time and do it, but you can achieve this hairstyle with it being glueless. So I'm going to be right back just to show you guys the end result and fluff out the hair on camera so you guys can see that. And this will basically be the end of the video. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Says she want banana, then her nons get thick like cassava. One girl more nah, me nah want palaba. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not just young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder. Baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow. Wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy.
Ooh, yikes. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I just showed you how I fluffed the hair out. I hope this video was super easy for you, and if you do try this video out, don't forget to comment down below and tag me in your post. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below of some orange hearts. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Don't forget to visit AF Sister. The links will be in my description box so you guys can check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
If I wasn't up and I begged you for your trust, would you come to me? Come to me. If I told you I was done and I had nothing at all, would you comfort me?